That was June 6, 2021 of this year. The last time we have checked this mulberry, Himalayan mulberry plant, YouTube friends. And it took 2 weeks to wait. And today is June 20, and some of the fruits are turning purple and is ready for the harvest. Good afternoon, YouTube friends. Today is Sunday, and what date today? So today is June 20, 2021. So we're going to harvest our Himalayan mulberry, YouTube friends. I think my nails are quite dirty. I'm just doing a lot of things today, so forgot to wear my gloves. So we're here, another one here, another one. We've got already 2 Himalayan mulberry, and we have several ripe fruit here. See that, friends? 1 kilo of this Himalayan mulberry in Canada and USA, it's around $60. $60. And we have here for free. See that? We have here, will be ready in the next few days. The other 2 are ready for the next few days. And we will be planting more of this variety this year. And maybe you want to see me eating this Himalayan mulberry. Tastes really good. It's very sweet. We will see if we still have left. I think tomorrow or next day we'll have another ripe ones. And talking about eating mulberries, YouTube friends, mulberries are very rich in iron, vital for maintaining a healthy count of red blood cells and preventing anemia. And this is a rare feature among berries. And it also rich in vitamin C and decent amount of potassium, vitamin E, and K. So, thank you for watching in our video, YouTube friends. So this is not really that long because we're just harvesting a few ripe ones of our Himalayan mulberry, but this will be an introduction that we will do some series of videos about Himalayan mulberries, and we will Himalayan mulberries and we will also feature the other variety, that is wild mulberry. So we will be featuring 2 varieties, wild mulberry and Himalayan mulberries, that we are going to have a series of videos this year, planting different batches, and we will see their progress and the time that they're also fruiting, and we'll have more things to expect about this particular plant that produce this nutritious and delicious fruit. So once again, I'd like to see you all in the next episode. See ya.